morning students, I hope you all are doing well at your places, and today we'll be studying about picture narration, right? Narration means जब भी हम कोई चीज़ देख के उसको अच्छे से बता पाते हैं, जैसे कि suppose I'm giving you an example. Suppose a prisoner is in the prison, right? And he is talking to his lawyer. So he will definitely describe each and everything in a life situation, right? He will definitely tell all the characters by telling all the life stories. तो उन्हीं चीज़ों को narrate जब हम करते हैं, उन्हें लिखते हैं, तो उन्हीं को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Picture narration. Let's just begin with this. So the title of our chapter is picture narration, right? You have to look at the picture and write what you say in it. देखिए ये ट्रेन एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिख रहा है जहाँ पे ट्रेन आ रही है और यहाँ पे कोई भी कैंटीन है, ये पर्सन उस कैंटीन से सामान ले रहा है. ऑल द देयर इज अ क्यू ऑफ बोथ गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज. They are taking the tickets and this person is basically waiting at the platform, whereas these two children, they are waiting, basically they are sitting on the luggage, where are their parents are just sitting and just standing beside them, right? So you just have to narrate the essays over here in the few lines in your own words, right? So I hope you all understood this chapter. This chapter was quite easy. You just have to see and look at the pictures and write down your words, describe in words, and just do this homework at your own. And please keep studying hard for your exam and stay blessed. Thank you.